Alright, looks like we're live. Let's continue. Let me open the table of content first. Okay, start the Pomodoro timer. Okay. On the last session, we are on chapter 13, the abstraction address space. On homework code here, let me check that. Okay, this one. Here on homework code, we already tried this. Guys, take a look at the manual page of free comment and then trying this out. But instead of using test M, we are using test make, I guess. Yeah, it looks like there is a difference between megabyte and maybe byte, something like that. So yeah, we already take a look at this. Now we are on this question. Okay, let me open the terminal emulator. Okay, alright. Previously I forgot to add free after the malloc allocation here. So there is that. And I've been thinking, wait a minute. Limit.h, okay. I want to know the limit of long. Okay. I think it is enough. So maybe rather than doing this, we can do this, right? Because we are using long here. Okay. And then, so I'm using input. And now, inside of those storage in the array, we put 1 megabyte, something like that. Again, I'm not sure if this is correct or not, but let's find out. Pedantic. Not that one chapter, okay. Alright, where is it? Limit, okay. Term memory user. Okay, right. Okay. Should I print this? Maybe. Yeah, waiting 10 seconds is quite long. Okay. Right. Let me copy this. Yeah, what about free here? Okay. Alright, something like that. Interesting. System wait mode. Longer than 80 character. Let me check. Wait. Oh. Yeah, that is white, I guess. On a single line. So output on the single line. Often used with the S option to show memory statistic repeatedly. Is this it? Continuously display the result only. Okay, let me check, I guess. Oh, okay. Looks like we need an argument for the flag S. Okay, maybe something like this. Oh, interesting. Should I try with one megabyte? I mean, I don't think it's gonna change much. Yeah. What about 10 megabyte? Yeah, I don't think it changed that much too. Let's check. Nothing changed. Oh, wait. Why the memory usage decrease? Not increase. Interesting. Right. From 3.8 gigabyte to 3.7. Interesting. nice thing. Yeah, I don't think 100 megabyte gonna so significant increase. Yeah, we are currently in this question, I guess. While running your memory user program, also in different terminal window but on the same machine, run the free tool How to Memory Usage Total Change when your program is running. How about when you kill the memory user program? Do the number match your expectation? I don't have any expectations, so it will always match, I guess. Try this for different amount of memory usage. What happens when we use really large amount of memory? Okay. Now that is, oh, wait a minute. Okay. Wait. Is this? Yeah, I'm kind of confused. How do we read this? I assume swap use. Let me use this one. Swap use 0 byte, gets use 2.9 gigabyte, I guess, and then memory use 3.7, and then memory free 9 gigabyte, something like that. Maybe. Okay, let me try 1000 here. Okay. I mean, this is something new for me too. I didn't know that I can use free command like this. Oh, okay. Now we see the increase on memory use from 3.8 to 3.9. But then it decreases again. Interesting. Yeah, maybe there is something on my system that have a fluctuative memory usage, or maybe it is the OBS. Okay, we are consistent in 3.8. It's gonna be a long time. Now let's try to terminate this. Is the memory usage gonna go down? Oh, it is okay. It doesn't go down immediately, I guess. That make me kind of curious. Maybe we shouldn't use sleep. Maybe. But if he didn't just sleep, it's kind of hard to see the increase. Okay. Let me try this. Okay. Yeah. Am I doing that correctly? I'm not really sure, I guess. Yeah, let's try something like this again. Do we need sleep here? Alright. Yeah, I mean, I forgot to recompile that. Okay, maybe we need sleep here. Or maybe I should just put the delay 10 seconds. Maybe. Display the reset count times. It's quite slow. Okay, let me compile that. What? 10 gigabyte? Yeah, that kind of scary. You know, let me input. Let me try to change that. Okay. It's not. Okay. How many zeros is this? Alright. Let me try this. Wow. Okay, from 3.9 to 6.9 and then finally 10 gigabyte. Oh well, I'm just glad that it didn't crash my, what is it called? My system. Okay. To show effect. Input should be okay. Alright. We can check the increase memory usage using this command. Okay. Maybe something like that. Yeah, I don't really want to increase more than this. Alright. Yeah, maybe it's gonna take a while. I'm not really sure. Okay. If I do this, let's see. Let's see what happened. Okay. This. Okay. Yeah, the increase is quite significant. $1,000. Okay. So I instead. Let me type. Okay, at least it is less than 1 megabyte, I guess. Okay, Gordam take fault. Okay, man. Again, I'm not sure if this is correct though. Maybe not sleep every second. but every 10 seconds or something like that. Okay. How do we to fight? Maybe something like modulo. If I modulo. Yeah, I kind of forgot. Maybe something like that. Not that one. Okay, not like that. Okay, maybe something like this. Not okay. Or maybe we can not equal 0 to make this easier to understand. So if it is non-zero, then yeah, we don't really want that. Not that one. Okay, chapter 13. On I should be long, I guess, because the input is in long. Okay. And then chapter, okay, 0. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't think. I cannot get to see that soon. Okay, right. Why is it suddenly increase? Or maybe 100. Yeah, it is still slow, I guess. Let me try this. Okay, every 5 seconds. Okay, we increase from 3.8 to 3.9. And then after we finish, we free this memory in case. Maybe let's try something like this. Okay. Slowly increasing the memory usage to the 4.3 giga, and then after we finish, we free this memory. Okay. Interesting. Alright. So that is, I think this one. How do the memory usage total change when your program is running? The memory usage increase as our program running, and then after we finish the program, the memory usage go down. Something like that, maybe. And then how about when you kill the memory usage program? Okay, so I'm assuming in the middle of running the program, something like this. Yeah, let's wait until increase, okay. And this may be around 4 gigabyte of memory, and then we terminate that. Okay, terminate. Yeah, it's going back down. So if we terminate the program in the middle of running, the memory usage also going down. Did the number match your expectation? Maybe. I mean, I don't really have any expectations. This one. Yeah, let me try again. Okay. Okay, this one increase around this time, I assume. Or maybe, yeah, around this time. So Is that the right memory usage that we should be used? Maybe not. Did the number match your expectation? Maybe not. I'm still not sure. Try this for different amount of memory usage. Okay. What happens when you use really large amount of memory? Segfault. If I understand correctly, where is it? Yeah. I think we will get segfault if we use too much memory, I guess. Hello, C-Trans. Welcome. What are you doing? Okay. I'm currently learning about operating system by reading this book, Operating System to Easy Base. Let me copy this in the chat, or you can take a look at the description. And then we are learning about this memory address space, I guess, on chapter 13. And we are taking a look at the homework code here. This homework code section. Yeah, we are trying to check about the memory usage. Something like that. What happens when you use really large amount of memory? I mean, I'm assuming we will get segfault, but I don't really want to crash my computer during live stream, so yeah, let's not try that. I mean, you can try this out on your own, I guess. Let's try one more tool known as PMap. Spend some time and read the PMap manual page in the tile. CS student? No, I'm not a CS student, I guess. I mean, do we need to be a student to learn something? Okay, report memory map of a process. I mean, I'm just learning this for fun, I guess. PMap command reports the memory map of process or processes. The PMap command reports the memory map of a process or processes. Okay. Great RC. Oh, interesting. Wait. Let me check. Oh, looks like PMap is not in the POSIX standard. Okay. I mean, what about free? Well, free is in the POSIX standard, but at the same time, it is the function free, not the command free. So maybe that is different. Reports the memory map of a process or process. to use PMap, you have to know the process ID of the process you're interested in. Those first PS aux W to see a list of all process, then pick an interesting one, such as a browser. You can also use your memory user program in this case. Indeed, you can even have the program called getPID, right? Print out its process ID for your convenience. Okay, before we are doing that, let me what is it called? Let me commit this, I guess. Yeah, kind of forgot. Okay. Chapter 13. And what do I call this? I've got to show virtual memory address, I guess. This got showing the virtual memory address for the function and then heap. Okay, heap memory and stack memory. Use set as there's R to make the memory address easier to read. Use set as .r to make easier to analyze. By turning off the randomizer. Wait. Okay, we're turning off the randomizer for memory address. Maybe something like that. Okay. Then let me commit this one first. Chapter 13 memory what is it called? Not unnecessary script. Add example. Okay, let me amend previous one. Rather than calling this code, maybe example to show virtual memory address, I guess. Something like that. And now we add this one. Add example. Sample memory. Increasing memory usage. Okay, this example will increase the memory usage by 1 megabyte, I guess. According to the input, it should increase the memory usage by byte, but currently still sure if this is the right approach. Okay. Right. Let me reword this. Enter the commit message. And then 70. Okay. Insert analyze. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Pmap. Okay, which one? Okay, so I'm using, what is it called? Cendrawasih keyboard, I guess. Wait, let me It is the Ali style keyboard, if you know. But yeah, what is it called? The exact configuration I'm kind of forgot. I mean, it is what is it called? The custom mechanical keyboard. Like I buy the switch separately. The plate also changed. If I remember correctly, the plate is polypropylene plate, something like that. And the case is polycarbonate, not the, what is it called? Not the aluminum one. And the switch is WS Morandi switch. Let me check. Yeah, something like this. This is the switch that I use. Hugo Studio Morandi. And then the keycaps is, what is it called? KPT, Enjoy no, I don't think it is Enjoy PPT fans. Yeah, I forgot the name of the keycap. But yeah, it is the PPT fans, if I remember correctly. But which one? Yeah, I don't remember. If I can find the list, maybe I can remember which one. No, not Retro Tag. It's quite old. So, oh, not this one. Yeah, I kind of forgot what the keycaps, but it is PPT fans. Oh, maybe this one. Yeah, I think this one is the keycaps that I have. PPT fans Umbra keycaps. Yep, this is the one that I have, the keycaps that I use. So yeah, it is a Frankenstein keyboard, I guess. But again, this keycap using PPT instead of ABS. Yeah, is that what? Is that the keycaps material other than PPT? I mean the one that GMK use. ABS. Yeah, I think it is ABS, okay. Right, there is PPT and there is ABS. This one using PPT. If I remember correctly, double shot PPT. So if you like ABS, you might not like this. What is it called? You might not like this keycap feel, I guess. But personally, I prefer PPT, so I'm fine using this. So yeah, the combination of this Ali style layout with this keycap and also this switch Hugo Studio Morandi, and using the polycarbonate case and the, what is it called? The polypropylene plate, I guess. Let me guess, polycarbonate and then plate polypropane. Is that the word? Yeah. And then switch Huku Sutio Morandi. This layout, I guess. Early style layout. Cendrawasih keyboard build. Okay, and then the last one keycap is PPT fans Umbra. Something like this. I don't remember the what is it called? The stabilizer. Yeah, I don't remember the stabilizer. I mean, I bought this second hand and then combine a lot of things, I guess. What time usually sit for the knife? It depends, I guess. Sometimes early in the morning, like 4 to 5 a.m. Sometimes around this time, 7 to 8 a.m. But yeah, I usually doing live stream in the morning because my internet connection can be finicky during the afternoon. So yeah, there's that. Cendrawasih keyboard build. I forgot the stabilizer. Yeah, it's been a long time since I built this keyboard, I guess. Okay, but yeah, this switch might not be for everyone too, because the actuation point is quite heavy compared to other switch, but it sounds so good, at least in my opinion. So yeah, it's fine, I guess. Okay, well, alright, git status test s. This is the cell alias for GSS. Oh, sorry, forgot the B to check the branch status too, right? Okay, so let me post this. Alright, okay, so I think we will continue exploring the PMap on the next session. Yeah, maybe we will use the memory user program that we just create here to explore the memory map, I guess. Okay. Report memory map of a process. Yeah, let's explore this on the next session. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.